everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on H&M. So H&M is a shopping platform where you can purchase various items ranging from clothing, home items, beauty products, kids wear, etc. Now open your web browser first and just go to the search bar and search for www.to.hm.com. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your profile. So just beside the logo of H&M, you can see 3 lines icon at the top left corner. So just tap on it. Now once you are here, you can see various shopping categories that you wish to shop for yourself. So I'm going to tap on H&M Home right here. Now you can see various available options under this category. For now, I'm just going to tap on View All. Now you can see various home items available here. I'm going to tap on this item right here. Now once you are here, if you scroll down below, you can see the price of this product listed. Now over here, if you tap on this option of Add to Bag, now you can see that this product has been added to your bag. Now in order to purchase this product, just tap on the shopping bag icon just at the top right corner. Now once you are here, you can select the quantity of your item that you wish to purchase. Now over here, you can select as much quantity you want to purchase as you want. For now, I'm just gonna choose 1. Now you can also apply for discount if you have any discount code or coupons. Now just at the bottom, you can see your total amount. After checking in all these details, just tap on Continue to checkout at the top of your screen. With this, you'll come across this page. You'll see your information and your billing address where your product will be delivered. Now you can also make a check mark on this box if you want this product to be delivered to your billing address. Now if you scroll down below, you can also see various shipping methods for you, and the charges vary according to each and every shipping method. Now all you have to do is enter your mobile number and then tap on Select to move further. Once you do that, you'll come across this page. Now you can select your payment method. I'm just going to select this option of credit/debit card. Now just below, your first name and your last name will appear. You just have to enter your card number, your card's expiration date, your CVV and CVC, and then if you wish to, you can also tap on Save this card. Your address will be displayed, and then you can also change your address if you wish to. Now you can also select in PayPal if you're about to pay through that method. Now at the bottom, you can see your total amount, and then if you tap on Complete Purchase, your order will successfully be placed on H&M. So this is it for today, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel.